Central heating installation costs. Have you recently purchased a home with old electric storage heating, or are thinking of converting the heating system to gas central heating? Or maybe you're renovating your aged home and want to replace the central heating system with a brand new boiler, pipework, radiators, and heating controls. Knowing what's best for you and your property can be hard, with different styles, energy efficiencies, and outputs to consider, as well as what's sympathetic in style to your property and your needs. To install central heating in a terraced house with 6 to 9 radiators and a 28 kilowatt boiler is estimated to cost between £3,500 to £4,000. Installing central heating in a semi-detached house with 10 to 12 radiators and a 33 kilowatt boiler is estimated to cost between £4,000 to £4,500, while a detached house with 12 to 15 radiators and a 33 kilowatt boiler is estimated to cost between £4,500 to £5,000. What affects the cost of central heating? The size of your home, your choice of boiler, how many radiators you need, ease of installation, whether you choose traditional or wireless controls, the size and scope of your project. How can I save money on a new central heating system? Comparing quotes is a great way to potentially reduce the cost of your central heating project. Household Quotes can help you get quotes from multiple heating engineers near you so that you can find someone that suits your budget. If you're planning your boiler replacement and want to renovate your radiators at the same time, checking to see if any local stores are having sales or reductions can help to bring your project fees down. For qualifying homeowners and private tenants, the UK's Big Six energy suppliers offer free replacement boilers. How do I find and hire a heating engineer? Finding the right heating engineer can be challenging. At Household Quotes, we can connect you to heating engineers in your area. When looking to hire a heating engineer for your project, you must get quotes from contractors with a checkable work history. As heating systems are complex, finding a reputable tradesperson is the first step in ensuring safety for you and your family. If your friends, neighbours, or family have had boiler work done in their own home recently, ask them if they'd recommend their contractors. However, even if you are receiving a word-of-mouth recommendation, always check yourself to see if the trader is on the gas safe register. Finally, your contractors should always carry their own insurance for their work, so make sure this is in place before agreeing to any project proposal. Use Household Quotes to find local heating engineers and potentially save money on your central heating project.